beneath the surface of this cold and calloused heart is a soul that's filled with goodness, searching for a brand new start. And I've left behind the old me, the things I did before, and I'm headed towards the new me as my bare feet touch the floor. And like healing water on my skin, rushing rivers crashing in, like a child I'm born again to start a brand new life. And I feel the sunlight shining down, I'm walking on holy ground, my grateful spirit crying out. Oh, I believe I was lost, but now I'm found, and I can see, 'cause I'm clean. We know nobody's perfect, though at times we may pretend. But through all of our failures, we know that's not the end.